For centuries, meat has been a cornerstone of human diets, but its production comes with a heavy price. Resource-intensive, land-hungry, and a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, traditional agriculture faces an uphill battle against a growing global population and a changing climate. But what if we could enjoy our favorite foods without the ecological footprint or ethical dilemmas? Imagine a world where delicious meat is cultivated, not farmed. This is the promise of lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat. It all begins with a tiny sample of cells taken harmlessly from an animal. These cells are then placed into bioreactors, where they are fed a nutrient broth rich in vitamins, amino acids, and minerals, mirroring what they receive naturally. Under carefully controlled conditions, these cells proliferate, naturally developing into the muscle and fat tissues we recognize as meat. The result is real meat, with the same cellular composition, taste, and texture as conventionally produced animal meat. The environmental advantages are astounding. Cultivated meat could slash land use by over 95% and greenhouse gas emissions by up to 92%. And animal welfare? It becomes a non-issue. Billions of animals could live out their natural lives untouched by industrial farming practices. Beyond ethics, cultivated meat offers unparalleled food safety. Grown in sterile environments, it eliminates the risk of bacterial contamination, antibiotics, and zoonotic diseases. With the global population projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, we need sustainable solutions to feed everyone. Dr. Lena explained the demographic challenge. Imagine meat customized for your nutritional needs, or even enhanced with specific vitamins. Lab-grown meat offers unprecedented control over the final product. This technology isn't just about food, it's about reshaping our relationship with resources, the planet, and the future of sustenance. While challenges remain, such as scaling production and reducing costs, the rapid advancements are promising. What was once science fiction is now becoming a tangible reality. Consumer acceptance is steadily growing as more people learn about the benefits and try the product for themselves. This isn't just an alternative, it's an evolution, a step towards a more sustainable and ethical food system. Dr. Lena affirmed the significance of the innovation. Lab-grown meat is a revolutionary technology poised to transform how we eat, offering a delicious, sustainable, and ethical path forward for our planet and its inhabitants. I never thought I'd enjoy something cultured in a lab, but the taste is really impressive. It's amazing what can be done with this technology. The possibilities for creativity in cooking are endless. We're just scratching the surface. Imagine global food security and no deforestation. It's within our reach. What are the steps we should take to accelerate adoption? It's a big change for us, but seeing the benefits firsthand makes it worth the effort. As this revolution unfolds, communities worldwide are adapting and thriving, turning what was once the future into the present. The ethical implications of lab-grown meat are profound. We're changing the very notion of what it means to produce food. For us, it's about the legacy we leave for future generations. It's time for a food system that reflects our values. Why stop at meat? Imagine lab-grown produce or milk, made more sustainable and nutritious. The integration of nanotechnology and food science is opening doors we never thought possible. What impressed me most was how they've captured the essence of authentic flavors. We're constantly refining the processes, ensuring that taste and quality remain paramount. Biotechnology isn't just about food, it is fundamental to human progress. How soon will lab-grown meats be a staple in our supermarkets? Today, we're challenging conventions with the versatility of lab-grown cuisine. The textures and taste profiles achieved here are unprecedented. Lab-grown meat offers us the chance to preserve cultural dishes while embracing sustainability. Indeed, it allows us to support tradition in a way that respects the environment and future generations. So, these cells are like the seeds? That makes it kind of like magic. Exactly. It's science, but it's just as wondrous as magic. Tonight's menu is an exploration of the new frontiers of flavor. I must say, these dishes redefine what's possible on the plate.